Hello, today we're going to be looking at information management cycle. The information management cycle is a 9-step process of defining, locating, selecting, collecting, organizing, analyzing, reporting, using, and evaluating the information. It is a cycle that goes through the life of the project. The first step is define, and it asks the question, what is the information we need? And that means those are the requirements of the project. And these requirements come from different people, stakeholders, the donors, organizational management, and even the team that needs information about the project. That will define all the information that's going to be going and be part of the information management cycle. The next step is to locate the information. Where is the information that we need? Who owns it? And what will get us to get it? And it's important because it's one of those elements of the logistics of trying to get information. The third step is select. From all the information we've been able to identify, we need to make sure that information we are selecting is relevant, is accurate, and it's credible. So we're not going to be having problems by using information that maybe has some bias, that is old, or that doesn't give us the information and the analysis we're going to need later in the project. The fourth step is the process of collecting information. How do we get that information? And here's where we define the different methods we can use to collect information, either from manual forms or from automated systems. How we collect the information is also relevant to the quality of the information and the completeness of the information that we'll need to make our uses. The next step is organize and store information. And this is important because organizing and storing means that the information is easily accessible to everybody in the project who needs to use it for the various purposes. Having a well-organized information system helps people identify the information, and we don't incur into additional expenses by collecting the information over and over again. The next step, and one of the first uses, is to analyze information. That is, what is information telling us? Where are the trends that are happening? What are the differences with the baseline? Where are we in the project? Are we ahead? Are we behind? And there are a lot of analyses that we need to make out of the information we collected. The next step is let's report information, meaning that there are a lot of requirements on the project coming from donors and other people that are going to be happening in terms of how we report, how we make the decisions in terms of recommendations on the project, in terms of changes to the project that will help us manage and improve the project. Next is the use of information. That means people making use of the decisions and information that is being given and the analysis from the project. That means that people are having and making actions on the project. The next step is evaluate. And evaluate means that we need to make decisions about our cycle. Did we use all the information? Did we have problems with locating? Did we have problems at collecting? How was the process of reporting? Did we report it on time? So it's a moment where the team can review and analyze the information cycle and make sure that all the processes are correct and there are opportunities to improve in the next step. This is a cycle that is continuous and it goes through the life of the project, going a couple of times during the life of the project. And it's good that every time we are doing this process because it helps us improve the quality of information. After all, that is the purpose, that we get the right information to the right people at the right time. Thank you very much for your attention.